Unexpected soil contamination can totally wreck your construction plans if you don't check the soil before starting any big home project. Like, first thing you gotta do is get the soil tested by a legit lab, because you never know what nasty stuff might be lurking underground. You want to know if there's heavy metals, chemicals, or other contaminants that could cause problems later. If the test comes back clean, awesome, but if not, you'll need to figure out the best way to handle the cleanup without breaking the bank. Always ask your contractor if they've dealt with soil contamination before. They should know the right steps to take. Also, keep in mind that some types of contamination need special permits or government approval to fix. Don't just assume it's safe to start digging. That can lead to serious delays and bigger costs. If remediation is required, get multiple quotes from specialists so you're not getting ripped off. And remember, proper remediation means your project's future is way more secure, so it's worth the effort upfront. One of the biggest mistakes people make with soil contamination is skipping the testing altogether because they think it's a waste of time or money. That's a huge risk that can cost way more down the line. Another common problem is not hiring experienced contractors who know how to handle contaminated soil safely and legally. This can lead to improper cleanup and legal headaches. Lastly, many folks underestimate the time it takes to get permits and approvals for remediation, which can stall your home project big time. The easy fixes? Always get soil testing first, pick contractors with proven experience in contamination cleanup, and start the permit process as early as possible so you don't get stuck waiting. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners looking for trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about things like soil contamination and remediation. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of real projects from people ready to fix up their homes right, making it a win-win for everyone.